Have you ever dreamt of exploring new cities, experiencing different cultures, and making a real difference in people's lives? As a travel nurse, you can do all of this while enjoying a rewarding and lucrative career. Imagine soaring over the Grand Canyon one week and exploring the bustling streets of New York City the next, all while using your nursing skills to bring care and comfort to patients in need. Travel nursing offers a unique opportunity to break free from the routine of a traditional hospital setting and embrace a life of adventure and purpose. Travel nursing. Embarking on a career as a travel nurse is undeniably exciting, but it's also essential to be aware of the challenges you may encounter along the way. From securing desirable job placements to navigating the intricacies of licensing requirements in different states, preparation and adaptability are key. One of the first hurdles you'll need to overcome is finding suitable job placements that align with your skills and preferences. Competition for desirable locations and specialties can be fierce, so it's crucial to have a well-crafted resume, a strong network, and a proactive approach to job searching. Another challenge lies in obtaining the necessary licenses to practice nursing in different states. Each state has its own set of requirements and processing times, so it's crucial to plan and apply for licenses well in advance of your desired start date. Finally, be prepared to adapt to new environments, both professionally and personally. You'll be working with new colleagues, caring for unfamiliar patients, and adjusting to different hospital cultures and protocols. Embracing flexibility, resilience, and a positive attitude will be invaluable as you navigate these transitions. Becoming a travel nurse might seem daunting, but it doesn't have to be. Break it down into steps. Step 1, get qualified. Ensure you meet the basic requirements for travel nursing. This includes a valid RN license and 1 year of acute care experience. Step 2, choose your specialty. Consider your interests and career goals. Step 3, find an agency, partner with a reputable travel nursing agency. Step 4, apply for licenses, research state requirements, and apply early. Step 5, prepare for assignments. Research the hospital, pack appropriately, and arrange housing. Section 5, A Journey of Growth. Sarah's story. Sarah, a seasoned ICU nurse from a small town, always yearned for a life less ordinary. The familiar rhythms of her local hospital, while comforting, couldn't quell her thirst for new experiences and challenges. That's when she discovered the world of travel nursing. I was drawn to the opportunity to see different parts of the country, work with diverse patient populations, and challenge myself professionally, Sarah shares. Her first assignment took her to a bustling trauma center in Los Angeles, a world away from the quiet corridors of her hometown hospital. The pace was faster, the cases more complex, and the cultural landscape a vibrant tapestry of diversity. It was a steep learning curve, Sarah admits, but I embraced the challenges and learned so much from the experienced nurses around me. Over the next few years, Sarah's travel nursing journey took her to the majestic mountains of Colorado, the sun-kissed beaches of Florida, and the historic streets of Boston. With each assignment, she honed her skills, expanded her knowledge, and built a network of colleagues across the country. Section 6, The Rewards of Resilience, Embracing the Unexpected. Travel nursing isn't without its bumps in the road. Delays happen, plans change, and unexpected challenges arise. But it's in those moments of uncertainty that the true rewards of resilience shine through. Sarah recalls a time when a sudden blizzard grounded her flight, delaying her arrival at a new assignment. I was stranded in a strange city, feeling overwhelmed and unsure of what to do, she says. But instead of panicking, Sarah drew upon her inner strength and resourcefulness. She contacted her agency, found a hotel for the night, and connected with other travel nurses in the area for support. That experience taught me the importance of staying calm under pressure, being adaptable, and relying on my network for support, Sarah reflects. It's these moments of unexpected adventure, of overcoming obstacles and navigating unfamiliar territory, that make the journey of a travel nurse so uniquely rewarding. Section 7. Beyond the horizon. Finding community on the road. One of the misconceptions about travel nursing is that it's a solitary pursuit. While it's true that you'll be moving to new locations and working with different teams, the reality is that travel nursing can be an incredibly social and community-oriented career. I've made lifelong friends with fellow travel nurses from all over the country, Sarah shares. We've shared meals, explored new cities together, and supported each other through the ups and downs of this unique lifestyle. The travel nursing community is a tight-knit one, bound by shared experiences, a sense of adventure, and a passion for providing compassionate care. From online forums and social media groups to meetups and events, there are countless ways to connect with fellow travel nurses and build lasting friendships. Whether you're sharing travel tips, swapping stories from the road, or simply offering a listening ear, the support and camaraderie of the travel nursing community can make all the difference in feeling at home wherever your journey takes you. Section 8. The Power of One. Making a difference, one assignment at a time. At its core, travel nursing is about making a difference in the lives of patients, one assignment at a time. It's about stepping in to fill critical staffing gaps, bringing your skills and compassion to communities in need, and being a source of comfort and healing for patients facing challenging health situations. Knowing that I'm making a real difference in the lives of my patients is what motivates me every day, Sarah shares. Whether it's helping a patient through a difficult recovery or simply offering a listening ear, I'm grateful for the opportunity to make a positive impact on their lives. As a travel nurse, you have the privilege of witnessing the resilience of the human spirit firsthand, of being a source of hope and healing in times of vulnerability, and of knowing that your presence makes a difference in the lives of your patients and their families. Section 10. Ready to take the leap? The world of travel nursing awaits, filled with adventure, purpose, and endless possibilities. If you're ready to answer the call, to embrace the unknown, and to embark on a journey of both personal and professional growth, then take the leap. Start by researching travel nursing agencies, connecting with fellow travel nurses, and exploring the exciting opportunities that await. The path to becoming a travel nurse might seem daunting at first, but with careful planning, a spirit of adventure, and a passion for making a difference, you can turn your dream of a life, less ordinary, into a rewarding reality. Please like, share, subscribe my GK Heath Passport channel more. Update next topic, cover recruitment agencies specializing hiring you.